A line represented by the equation 2x minus y equals to 5 rotates about the point on the line where the x-coordinate equals the y-coordinate. The rotation is 45 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. We need to determine the equation of the line after it has rotated. Okay, let us begin. First, what we'll do, we'll try to understand the problem graphically. So here we consider the line 2x minus y equals to 5. Now, the line is such that it is inclined at an angle of, let's call the angle as theta, making an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Now what we'll do, we're going to consider a point on this line. Let's say this is the point A having the coordinates alpha, alpha. Now here both the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate must be equal because that's the point that we need to choose where the x-coordinate and the y-coordinates are equal. Now about this point A, we're going to rotate this line 45 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. So here we have the same line 2x minus y equals to 5. This line has been rotated 45 degrees counterclockwise direction, and we have to find out now the equation of this line after it has rotated 45 degrees. Now initially, as we already considered that the line was making an angle theta with the x-axis, so after a rotation of 45 degrees this line is going to make an angle of 45 degrees added to theta. Fine. So initially we considered that the line 2x minus y equals to 5 makes an angle of theta with the x-axis. Now taking this equation of the line, we have 2x minus y equals to 5. So what we can do, we can convert it into the slope-intercept form of a line. So that means we have y equals to 2x minus 5. So if we compare it with y equals to m times x plus c, where m represents the slope and c is the y-intercept, then what we get is that the slope m that's simply equals to 2. But we know the slope is also defined as tangent of the angle that the line makes with the x-axis. That means tangent of angle theta, that must be equals to 2. Okay, let's label this as number 1. Also here, the point A with coordinates alpha, alpha, that lies on the line 2x minus y equals to 5. So that means it must satisfy the equation of the line. So here we can say that also the point A with coordinates alpha, alpha lie on the line 2x minus y equals to 5. So what do we have? So we have here the coordinates satisfying the equation of the line. So we get 2 times alpha minus alpha equals to 5. All we have done is replace x with alpha and y with alpha. So solving for alpha, we get alpha equals to 5. So now we have the value for alpha as well. Now let's find out the slope of the line 2x minus y equals to 5 once it gets rotated by 45 degrees. So we'll consider the new slope. The new slope is simply defined as m prime. That's equals to tangent of, so initially the angle was theta, but we have rotated it by 45 degrees in the anti-clockwise fashion. Now let's expand tangent of theta plus 45. So that gives us tangent of theta plus tangent of 45 degrees. Whole divided by 1 minus the product of tangent of theta and tangent of 45 degrees. Now we know tangent of 45, that's equal 1. So we have tangent of theta added to 1 divided by 1 minus tangent of theta. So this is m prime, and we have already obtained the value of tangent of theta, that's 2. Let's substitute the value here. So we get 2 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2. So m prime comes out to be equals to negative 3. So now we have the value of slope. So we are ready to find out the equation of the new line. So here we can use the point slope form of a line. We have the line L prime which passes through the point A with coordinates alpha, alpha. Alpha is simply 5, 5. So here we have A is 5, 5. We know its slope, that is negative 3. So its equation is going to be given by, so we can say the equation of L prime will be y minus y1. So y1 corresponds to 5. That's equals to the slope negative 3 multiplied to x minus x1, which is also 5. So we get y minus 5 equals to negative 3x plus 15. Rearranging the terms, we get 3x plus y equals to 20. So this is the required equation of the line. Thus 3x plus y equals to 20 is the required equation.